Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today we are doing a pack with me / travel with me video because your girl tomorrow is leaving back home to Miami and I couldn't be any happier. I'm so excited and I thought I should share with you guys how I pack and my travel day tomorrow. So today we are Thursday the 21st and school's over, we are on break, and I got really productive this morning, which is really nice. I did a whole to-do list and your girl was like snapping, like I have everything done and I can just concentrate on packing. I went and got my suitcase. Everything is kind of laid out on the bed. It's actually really messy, but yeah, we're gonna have a good time, pack together, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it up a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because more videos are coming. A lot of Miami videos are planned and I can't wait to film them and share with you guys. Obviously I will vlog. Stay tuned for all that. If you guys don't follow me also on my Instagram, which I will post a lot of videos and do a lot of stories, make sure you are. So by the time you're watching this on Sunday, I will be in Miami, which I'm really excited to go see my parents and just have a good time, see my best friends and just, you know, appreciate and enjoy before the end of the semester. So when I start packing, what I usually start doing is that I have all my clothes and everything I want to bring on the bed all laid out so I don't get really lost and just like get out everything out of my closet and it just takes too long. Like, it's good to be organized so you don't really lose your time. Although packing is fun, but it's always good to pre-lay everything so you know what to take, etc.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. You've been sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away.
Packing tips that I think could be useful to anyone out here. So when you pack, like if you have a big suitcase especially, what I advise to do is that you split it in two sides. One side is for like all the clothes, all the like bottoms, tops, pajamas, etc. And then on the other part are like the shoes, the toiletries, and like all your underwears, bras, like swimsuits, etc. Because, you know, I think it's like better with that way, you know where like what side is what. Make sure you have just good amounts of like jeans, pants, skirts, etc., whatever you want to take so you know what to wear. Maybe plan out outfits first before your trip ahead. I always like to take some little fancy outfits in case we go out for restaurants, etc. And just as well like different accessories, so like 2 pairs of bags. I like to take my little 2 bags so they don't take that much space.
You've been sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away.
For shoes, what I advise is that take 1 good pair of walking shoes, which is really important because if you're especially going on huge trips or, you know, somewhere you've never been before, especially if it's a city, make sure you take good walking shoes because honestly that can really affect your feet if you don't your feet. If you don't take good walking shoes, especially if you are thinking of walking a lot, so make sure you do that. Then what I also like to take is like I like to take some fancy shoes and then also some shoes for home and then some shoes to go out as well. So other nice shoes and I put them in this bag. So if you have some like bags to put your shoes in, which is also very nice. You don't have to have some fancy bag. This is just for my dad, but yeah, that's what I do to put my shoes, which doesn't take much space in my suitcase because my suitcase is kind of big. Another tip is when you are bringing like other accessories such as like sunglasses, etc., and you might not want to take them in your bag carry-on. What I do is that I take a bag that I'm bringing, so for example this one, and then I just put it inside, or at least, and voila, it takes less space in your suitcase and you put it in your bag. I hope you guys are enjoying so far the video. Now I'm going to stop filming and I'll film again back tomorrow for the travel day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow for the traveling day. Bye. Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of this video. It's traveling day today. I'm so excited. So I just woke up. It's currently, what time is it? It's 6:08, and I just got kind of ready and put my traveling outfit and kind of just freshen up a little bit. Traveling days are long, so it's nice to feel fresh a little bit before traveling days. I'm gonna have a little bit of breakfast, drink up a little, and then I'm gonna head out. So I'm gonna take the train all the way to the airport, and yeah, it's gonna be fun, and I'll try to film everything as much as I can. I'm wearing this sweater from Uniqlo, and then just wearing leggings. It's always good to be comfy for long hour flights. I don't know why I'm talking low, but I know it's a apartment and you can hear, so yeah, I'd rather not wake up my neighbors.